Yeah, welcome guys. In today's video, actually, I'll be teaching you the 2-minute strategy that works very fine. How to make money through binary option, even though if you're a beginner. Yeah, and you can see I place a trade of $50 right here, and let's see what will come back in return. Then I'll be able to explain to you how to set your moving average, the 3 moving average, and your MACD, and how to use them effectively, like to gain. Seriously, you will love this video, I'm telling you. You can see I placed $50 trade comfortably, like without even thinking like, wow, is this one going to come? Yeah, will it come? No, I'm not sure. No, you just have to cool your mind. That's just all about it. Online trading actually is very risky. When you hear something is very risky, but if you can follow the strategy, if you can follow the timing and everything, I'm telling you guys, you will not lose anything. And I'll be showing you everything right here. I've been testing different strategy on my account before it loads up, like before the time finished rather. Let me just show you. I've been testing different strategy. You see, this strategy I'm using right now is the 2-minute strategy. I call it a great 2-minute strategy, and I started testing it on, wait, I think that should be October 1st or yeah, November 1st or 2nd. Let me just, okay, yeah, I started testing this strategy rather. I tested it from, I started on, I think it's from here or so. Yeah, I think that is on October 31st. Yeah, like I said, it was October 31st. I tested it, but on the 30th, when I was testing on the 30th, which was actually this strategy, I placed my first trade there because I learned something about it. I placed my first trade when my mentor told me about it. I placed my first trade. I lost it. It's just $1 because I haven't gotten it yet. I have to place another one again, exactly like $2 to test it again. It's won. I was like, I think I'm getting it or not. Then later on, I placed different 3 trades. Can you see it here? Different 3 trades. I lost the 3, guys. I was like, no, what is this? What is it? Then later I have to message him again. I was like, what is going on, sir? Like, I've been following the strategy you gave me. Like, he explained everything to me in the course, everything. Like, it is really working. So it was real. So I followed him up. I was like, sir, this thing is not working, sir. I don't know. So he gave me some steps again to follow about it. Maybe I'm making mistake of the timing or so. So I was like, okay, maybe if that's the case, then let me try it again. Then guys, I came back to this platform. I placed my first trade after I've gotten my full lecture. Seriously, guys, I placed the first trade. See, it went one, like $50. I won $49. That the trade that time was in 90-something%, maybe 93. I don't know, sure. But you can see my profit was $49. I placed $50 trade. I won $49. That means it's just like accurately, like 98% of my investment was coming back to me in just 2 minutes, like 2 minutes, guys. This is really awesome. If you don't want to know about this, see my second trade here. I won, and I can see that I've started getting it there. I started getting it, but there's some slight mistake again. It happens. I lost 2, but you can see it yourself. Like, if you can place about, like, when you haven't gotten it, you place like 3 to 4 trades, you lost it, you lost it here, you won, you lost, you won, you lost, like you lost like 3 accurately. But when you didn't stop, I didn't stop the strategy. Like, I was like, if he can be doing, because I saw some video he did and it's actually working. So I was like, okay, I will try this too. Then I placed first trade, second trade, another one, third. That was on the, yeah, it was still on the 37. It was still on the 30. I placed 3 different trades after that time. I've tested it. That, yeah, I see that it's working now. Then I waited till the next day, which was on the 2nd. Okay, that was Thursday, because on the 30 was on Friday. Then Saturday, Sunday, that's the weekend, trade don't open. So it was now on the 2, that which was is it standards? That should be on Monday, if I wasn't mistaken. That should be on Monday. Yeah, that's on Monday. So I placed another trade, 1, 2, 3. I won it. I was like, wow, it's working. Then with some mistakes, I lost 2 again. I started up again, like with the strategy. I followed it up. When you're comfortable of yourself, when you are really like, I was like this place here. When I place a trade, I was like, there is no trade for me right now to place. Okay, let me just try to do this right now. Like, I saw an indicator. That one is even on. I did my analysis on candlestick, which I know it will actually come, and it came, but the timing was very wrong at that time too. on this too, because I was very proud of myself that yeah, it's what I've been doing before, so I know how to trade without even using all these indicators like moving average and everything. But I lost the trade here, I lost it here, but I wasn't stopping. I continued with the one the man told me, my mentor told me, and it was 1 1 1 1 1. Can you see this, guys? 1 1 1, like it won again like 5 times. You can see 5 times, like 6 times in the background here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, this is 7 here, guys. And here again you can see I won 5 like accurately without missing it. See, guys. And here I missed something again, like I lost the money. You can see the money I even lost there was very huge, but I wasn't overwhelmed. I was not angry. I didn't let my emotion to get me. So you get, because if you're trading online, guys, your emotion will be your problem. If you are having this problem of emotional, like my money, I don't want my money to be lost, guys, you will lose everything, guys. But once you are comfortable, like, and you are actually, you are patient and you have this trust in yourself, like I can do it, others are doing it, then why can't I do it? Then you have this mindset like yeah, I can do it. I'm telling you guys, you will make it. You can see here, this money was very huge, like the trade was somehow trustable for me. Why I was missing the time. You can see here 7 binary, I placed 7 trades on one on one pair at that same time. So it was very wrong. It was very wrong. This was not advisable. But like, you know, this is just by me. Like, I understand very well about these stuffs. Like, not that much, but at least I'm not a novice any longer on it. So I was like, I understand this thing. Let me just try all these strategies. I'm very sure. Like, I started testing different strategy. But so far, guys, so far, like, I mean so far, this 2-minute strategy is still the best one you're gonna use. It's still the best you're gonna use, because if you can follow it up. When I saw that I lost this trade, I was like, let me go back to this man strategy again, like my mentor strategy. Then I follow it back again. I won 1 I lost this. It was not 100% though. The strategy wasn't 100%, so I lost this $100. Then I won back. But if you can see, guys, I lost 320 here, right? But in this place, I saw an opportunity to trade here. When I lost my trade on this one, it was still on November. You can see November, that is 15:24. That is 15:24 GMT time. I'm talking about GMT time right now. Sure you get. So this is after 3 in the afternoon, in the PM time. Yeah, PM. I lost it at exactly 24. But later on, I came back to it. I went to another pair, and I won the money exactly 31. Yeah. So it's like just a 7-minute interval. Then I went again. This was 10-minute interval. I won another one. But do you see that I lost 320 here? I should be able to get my 320 back from here. But because I wasn't sure, because of the shock I had here, like 320, wow, this is really much. So I couldn't place any other trade like very high like the one I've done before. So I waited to see another opportunity, like a great opportunity. Then when you can see here, Europe GBP, this is a great one for me. It's just one binary. You can see here, one binary. This one I placed 7 binary, I lost 320, and here I placed just one with $500. You can see here $500. Then I won how much? 455, guys. So you can see that this 455 here has covered my loss in this USD Japanese yen. You can see that it has covered it back, like totally back. When I can have 455 profit and you can remove 320 from 455, you should know what I'm earning, like what is my profit there back. So when I see the great this time, I'm like, wow, it's working. So I went back, I placed another trade immediately, like if you can see it here, I placed another trade on that Europe GBP rather. Yeah, Europe GBP. Yeah. So once I placed the trade there, I lost the trade again. But I was not confused, guys. I wasn't confused. So I placed another trade here. Actually, 2 binary here. Then I won 2. I placed trade of 220. I won 160. So you can see here, this $160 here actually covered my loss in the previous one too. Then that's how the strategy works. So I see that the strategy is really working. Like if I were to present it now, I would be saying 95% accuracy. Because imagine, guys, if you can place a 12 trades on, or let me just say, yeah, 12 or 13 trades, and you could have 10 in profit, you could have 11 in profit, and you're only losing 1 or 2, and that 1 or 2 you are losing, guys, you are getting the money back in the future trades you make. So this is it, guys. It is not really bad, it is working. So I stopped the strategy there. I started with another strategy. That's this one I'm doing here is 5-minute strategy, when I was still testing the 5-minute strategy. And you can see here I lost it because I'm not getting it yet. I lost it here again because I'm not getting it 4 equally, like you can see. I wasn't getting it yet, but because I saw an opportunity again, I placed 300 trades here in order to cover my loss of this and this. So it covers this and this. Then later on I saw another, you can see this one on Europe USD, then this one on Australian dollar, then Japanese yen, yeah, JPY. Then I saw another opportunity there on another strategy I'm using, the second strategy of 5 minutes. I saw another opportunity here. You can see I didn't even hesitate to place 1,000 trade, like 1,000 trade. I placed 1,000 trades there because I was very sure it will come, and that one will cover my $300 loss here. I be sorry, $300 profit here. Sorry, loss here. What am I saying, sir? Yeah, so this will cover my $300 loss here. Then I still have some profit back. So imagine I placed $1,000 trades and won 760, and if you can remove this 300 from 760 here, I'm having how much back in profit? I'm having 360 back in profit, $360 back in profit, and this is a whole huge money. I lost 300 here again. Even though I still lost this, I'm not saying lost, guys, because once I have 7 here, 760, and I can remove this 300 and 300, I still have $60 back in profit. But still I place another trade of $300 there, I won it. So everything is covering up mine. And you can see here, before I was having 10,000 here in this main account balance, I'm having 10,000, and now you can see now is how much there is actually $13,037. Yeah, you can see there, you can see it yourself. So I keep testing the strategy. You can see here now 111. This is when I started getting the 5-minute strategy, and tomorrow videos, guys, I'll be showing how the 5-minute strategies to works. So if you can combine these 2, 3, 4 strategies together, then you'll be making huge money, like a lot of money online. So very fast, easy, guys, very fast, easy. So if I'm taking my time to test many strategy for you guys in order for you to start making money as easy as possible, as fast as possible, guys. So you want to learn more about this, then I'll be showing you everything in details. In my previous video, if you can check on how to register on IQ option and set your moving average, so you will see I taught you guys how to do this moving average with color blue, but I'm going to set it up again for you in just little time right now. I'll be doing that for you just as little as possible right now. So what do you want to do? You can see here I won the trade I placed there. I won it, and even if it wasn't because of this video, like because I was explaining for you guys, I still have another indicator to trade. Like I still have another signal. I place a trade here, right? You can see I place a trade here, but I still have another signal again to trade around here or here. I still have another signal which is very, very cool, but I didn't place the trade because of what I was giving you guys explanation. You can see my previous video too. I placed a 1,000 trade because I was very assured that it's going to come. Shake it. That's it. But now let me round it up very fast because the video will be a bit long, but I don't want it to be too long. A bit long but not too long. Shake it. Because this is where you want to make money, and I'm not charging you for course like the way other YouTubers will do, the way other investors will do. They will ask you like, pay for our software and do this to make 1,000. All these guys, I won't say it is scam. No, they're working. But for a beginner that has just $15, $20, $100, why will you now just go and purchase a course of $300, $500 that is not actually advisable, to my own advice? Though once you start making money, you start making money with my strategy, then you can just buckle up. You can just teach yourself, like you can just try to train yourself more better in order to learn more. So by then, once you have a lot of money, then you can go back to go and purchase all those courses in order to learn more, to know more about it, so you can be very, very focused and start making a lot. But for now that you're still beginners, for now that you're still starting up, guys, trading with binary option is really, really advisable. Seriously, it's really, really advisable if you can be focused and you can learn everything in full details, guys, in full details. This is the way your platform will actually look like. It may they may not be these three moving average indicators, and this MACD, the one at the down here, they may not be there, but this is how to set it up. You come to your indicators here, you click on indicators here, you go to popular. Once you go to popular, you go down, you can search for moving average. So you have to set this moving average 3 times. I'll be showing you how to the numbers. So once you click on moving average like this, you can see one is in period of 14. The first one you have to set will be in period of 14 with yellow color. After that, with SMH, that is simple moving average. Yeah, you don't need exponential, you don't need this WMA or SSMA. No, you don't need it. The one you really need is just a simple moving average, which is SMA. So you just put it in the period of 14 and type SMA rather, and color yellow, and you can just make the thickness. You can leave it in light or anyhow you want it, but I always prefer thick. So after you've done that, apply. After you've done apply, it will appear here. This yellow will appear there. Then you have to go back there again. You do the same thing. Go to popular. Moving average is really popular. So you get. You have to come to moving average again. You have to set the second one. The first one we set was yellow, yeah, and this one will be actually period of 6. It will be in period of 6. Then you have to make it color blue so that you understand it very well, because if you are making this everything the same color, it will be somehow trickish and you won't understand it. So this is, you have to make it color blue, period of 6. Then sorry guys, you can just make it thicker. So after that, you apply, it will show here too. Then to the third one, which is red. So just come to that place again, that same place. Go to your moving average. Go to your moving average. Then this one you have to set it to what? In the period of 26. In the period of 26. Then leave it the way it was. You can see this is the way it was. You are just to change the period only. But possible this one may not be in your place. This one may not be in your place. Shall you get this color red may not be in your, so you just have to change it to color red. Make sure it's in color red. The first one was what? Then just apply like that. The first one we are setting the color blue in. We set the first moving average to color blue. Why? It is in 6. The second one yellow, and it is in period of 14. And the third one is what? Color red, guys. Color red. Don't do me the mistake. And in period of 26. And you can see it here. Let me go to my own here. And you can see this one 26, 14 and 26. That's where I set it. Then the MACD. So the last indicator we have to add to this to make it work very fast is what, guys? Is MACD. Go to your indicators again, popular, then go to MACD. You can see MACD. This is it. It is called MACD. So you just have to click on it. Then that's it, guys. You will leave it like that. Hey, sorry. This is it. After you click on indicators and you come to MACD, you leave it default by default. You don't need to change anything there. If possible, you've changed anything there, just click on this default by default. You will see fast period 12, slow period 26, signal period 9. Then click on apply, and that's it. After that, your platform, the platform will look exactly like this. I'm using IQ option. In case you don't have account on IQ option yet, or you haven't registered on IQ option yet, then you need to go to my video description right now in order for you to register for a free account and after 10,000 demo account to register to start rehearsing right now. So you have to test this method very well. You should have to test it on your own very well to know how it works. Then after you guys got it, then you can now go to your real account and invest nothing less than $10 to $100, $200, as high as you want it, as low as you want it. It is your choice. It is your choice. So, but if you are investing $10, I will tell you have to trade with $1. That is a risk management. If you are investing $100, you have to trade with even like $2, $3, $5. That's the maximum way you should be trading on your account, because I don't want you to blow your account. So you get. So once you have $100 and you want to trade, you just have to set this in the period of $5. You can see here, this is $13,000. I'm still for $50. Just put it in $5 if you're having $100 in your account. If you're having $10, you don't have choice than to put $1. That is 10% of your investment. But if you're having $100, you can just put like 20% of your investment, like 15% of your investment, like 30% of your investment, all those ones are still cool. 25% of your investment, they are still cool for you. So $100 you can still, if you're having $50, you don't have choice, you have to put like $2-3. But if you see a good indicator that yeah, this thing is going to come, you can put $5, but it's not advisable. Make sure it is always at 20% of your investment, 20% to 30% of your investment. Make sure it is like that, because once you grow account, even though you have $10 there and you are putting $1, once you can try your possible best, that's you are applying your risk management, and you can learn the way it works. You can learn the way it works. In case any mistake come, you can able to cover it up in the next future trades you will be placing. So that one won't help you to lose, and it will always give you a good confidence that yeah, I'm making it, because you'll be seeing your profits from $10. You place one trade and the trade is in 80%, like 80%, like this one here. This one is in 75% right now. 80%, you want 80 cents. You place another one, you want 80 cents. You place another one, you want 90 cents. You place another one. So like that, you will get to $20. From $20 you get to $30. Like that one, still continue with $1. Once you get to like $30, you can change it to $2, $1. Like just try your best in order to just make it work like that. Just try to make it work like that. Start applying risk management to your and don't even just imagine you want to cash out on it very fast. What you just have to do is you have to cool down and make sure you grow your account. If you are starting with $10, make sure you grow your account to like $100. Then you can just withdraw like $30 to just chill and start up with $70 again or $60. Then start making it work very fast again. Then once you get to like $200, you can just try to withdraw like $50. So anytime you are having mind that yeah, I'm making money in this thing and I'm having my profit, so all this will keep you up. All this will keep you up to grow your account. Your emotional thoughts, everything will be increasing and going high, and by then you'll be making a lot. So how does this strategy work? We've set the MACD and the moving average right now, guys. So how does it work? Let me start from Europe USD here. Let me use this Europe USD to explain to you guys. So yeah guys, in this video, this is the I have only on this 2-minute strategy. The first way to go about it is by following this step. You can see, even though this thing is in uptrend, like the trade is in uptrend, but still you're not to look for that one. So make sure your candlestick is in 2 minutes. We are using 2 minutes here. And if you want to trade right now, I will still be showing you how to set your time expiration time too. The time expiration time to matters. If not, you will lose, seriously. But the time is really the main important thing you have to look out, because if you should place a trade here, you want the trade to end on this same candlestick, not going to the future one, not going to the next candlestick. You want to place a trade here, you want the candlestick, you want the trade to expire on that same candlestick you place a trade on, which you are using 2 minutes candlestick time and 2 minutes expiration time. So no matter how the trade is, the trade will still be ending on that same candlestick. So guys, you have to watch out for that, and I will be teaching you how to set the time frame once I see an opportunity to trade. Like you can see the previous trade I made, $37. I placed a $50 trade, which is in 75%, so I want that. And you can see my previous video, like last week, last day and 2 days ago. You can see there on my channel, you will see it there too. So this is the way it works. Let's start with this moving average. Anytime you see color red moving average at the below of the two moving averages, like the two moving average, the yellow and the blue color, anytime you see this color red moving average below these two, you have to put for a low option. In your own platform, it may not be low, it may be put option, it may be low, it may be sell. So trading, online trading, use this theory name, like they use this theory called option. If you are to buy, this one can be called buy, high, or even they call it call. Yeah, it may be call in your own, it may be buy or high, or this one may be low, it may be sell, and it may be put option. So anyhow it is, if you are using call here, your next one will be put. If you are using high, your next one will be low, and if you are using buy, your next one will be sell. Yeah, sell. So that's the way it works. But my own here, I'm having high and low, so I'll be following this to explain to you guys how this strategy works. So for instance here, I saw an why did I place a trade here? Why did I place a trade? So let me just explain to you guys. See this MACD at the downside here. What happened to it? You can see this place has 0. See this line here, this line that I have, this thing. See, it was in 0% there. Can you see that? 0%. It's in 0. This is 0 here. This is 0 there. If you can see that, it's 0. It's 0. I don't want the stuff to touch it because it will cover it up. You can see it's covering it up already. So you can see there is 0, exactly 0. So you're having a 0 here, and you can see that you're having a candlestick that is going upper, lower, lower, upper, lower. Let's just check from the previous candlestick. You can see here it went from up like this with a big wave. Seriously, it went back down a little, just with one, and it started consolidating here, then later it went back down a little bit, then it went back up again, like it went back down again, and this down was very long a bit, and it went like in consolidation again. Like the market is very convinced at this time. That's what I meant by consolidation. You can just see here too, when the candlestick wasn't above or below that much on the 0 line, on this is 0 line, on this is 0 line, this is 0 line here. You can see here the candlestick here too at the up here, the real candlestick you're trading on was also on consolidation. Like the trade wasn't up, wasn't down. You can see. So that's how it was, guys. And you can see here it's break through here. See, when I saw a dragonfly, sorry, yeah, a doji. This is a doji candlestick. This is a doji. So once I see this, I saw this right now. You can see it was still consolidating there too. It was still consolidating there. And what happened next? It moved down the 0 line. And after it moved down the 0 line, see what happened in the next candlestick. The candlestick went down dramatically. And from the next one, see, the next one too was very bigger than the previous one. And see what happened next? It went down dramatically again. So this is the way it was, guys. Anytime you see that a trade was in consolidation 1, then you'll be looking for a breakout. There's a fake breakout, there's a real breakout. But I won't be teaching you that one in this video, but I'll just be telling you how to go about it here. So once you see that it was in uptrend, but it was above the 0 line. It was above the 0 line, but the consolidation was very much, even though you're not getting it, maybe it is up or down. And you saw that the next candlestick moved down a bit. You see, this one moved down a bit. Just please, guys, the next candlestick, place downtrend. Just place lower option. Like, just place your trade and put low. If it is sell, put sell in your place. If it is put option, click on put option. But before you click on put option, you are saying this already. You are saying this, that yeah, this one is in, yeah, it has moved down a bit. Yeah, let me place my trade there. Don't just place your trade once because you will lose it, guys. You will lose it. Because if you can see here, after this one closed, it started going down dramatically. But what happened? What you just have to do, because you are using 2-minute strategy, you have to come to this place and put it in 2 minutes. This is actually 2 minutes like this. So the next candlestick will be open now. The next candlestick will be open in the next 30 seconds. Just wait for that 30 seconds to complete. So once the 30 seconds complete, another candlestick will open. You will still see it again, because I don't want to leave here, but I will still show you how it works. So once the sun closes like this, now another candlestick will open, guys. It will open, but when it open, that's when you have to place your trade. So like this, now it has opened, just place your trade there, then just wait. Once the 2 minutes expire, you are earning your money already. Before it opens another one and started going back, you're already in money for this one. So that's on that one. This is the first strategy on this 2-minute strategy. This is the first one. You have to use this MACD. The MACD candlestick is the one you want to use first, guys. I mean first. And you can see here in the same MACD, you have another indicator, like another signal that is telling us we should do for a put option. And what is that one is telling us? See here, the blue line here crosses the orange line. Maybe it's yellow or orange, I don't know. If you know color that I mean, then you should know what I'm talking about. You can see it, even though it was very small because of the consolidation that has been happening so far. But you can see when this one moved down, they don't want to move down. It moved down the yellow. The blue moved down the yellow. I will just call this yellow color. It's actually not looking like yellow that much, but I'll be calling it yellow. It moved down a bit. You can see, and it was here. As you can see here, the blue come down below the yellow, and what next? It went down dramatically again, and that's when you are placing your trade for this, because this is two different indicator, like two different signal for you to place your trade. So just put your trade and just make sure it is in exactly 2 minutes, so you will win this. You will win this. Let me show you another one again, guys. After run, it went back up. And you can see here, when it got to this place, it was still in downtrend, but it's showing you growing already, going. But you don't need to place trade because we didn't see any indicator here. We didn't see any indicator. Then after this, it went back up. It went back up. It started going. So you don't need this. You don't need this. So what you have to look here is anytime this red indicator, this red moving average is down, and the blue color is crossing it over, what you just have to do, you have to sell. You have to click on low in order to like sell, put, or low. So I'll be using low in my place. Click on low in order to sell. Yeah, in order to sell. Low is still the same thing as sell, so I'll be using sell because I don't know, this low was it's not actually interesting in my mouth. So you can see here, I placed a trade here, guys. I placed a trade here. Why did I place my trade? This is the reason why I placed my trade. See, this place we are having downtrend, like it's coming down a bit, and you can see here, from here we started seeing red, which means the sellers are taking place. And why did I place my trade over here? Because I saw the sellers are taking place. They are taking place dramatically. So we're like, okay, fine. What did I have to do? So, but this thing was still, all these candles was still above the zero line. So I wasn't placing my trade here. I wasn't placing it here. I wasn't placing it even here. I placed the trade exactly this place. Why did I place the trade exactly this place? Because I saw that this blue moving average want to cross the yellow one. You can see that it's coming down, and it has gotten to this place, and I saw it will cross it, one. And number two, the red moving average was below the 2. You can see it was below the 2. That's the second signal you got. And come and see the third signal. This one has been coming with a red, and it got to the middle. It was still red, and it moved down below it. It was still what? It was still red. So this is a real confirmation. We have 4 different confirmation, and see this one too. This moving average here, it crosses it here. So we have this one, the blue moving average here crosses this yellow one, and this red was below the 2. That's your first mindset. You're having 2 signal here right now. The third one now is that this one here too, this blue one is crossing this yellow too at the MACD indicator. The blue line is crossing the yellow too. That is the third signal we're getting here. This is very strong. Like, I mean, guys, very strong. You don't need to doubt this one at all. When it crosses it, and this one here over here to what cross it down, just wait for the next candlestick to open. Once you see that the candlestick is reading 1.30 like this, place your trade immediately. You just have to come back here and place it and put it in. Yeah, you can see here is in 140, 130. This is the one you'll be using all the time. This second one, that is 2 minute strategy. If you want to click on the 2 minute strategy, you can see another candlestick will open immediately now. Yeah, you see that another candlestick open. You have to place your trade immediately. You see that is in 31 like this, ready to place your trade. Once you reach 30 like this, place the trade immediately, then it will continue reading. That's for the 2 minute strategy. That's how it works, guys. So you can see here, we won it here. You're already in big money, guys. This is a big, huge money here. Huge money. And you can see here, after you play this one, you won. This one you can still place another one because it crosses it here too. this is another cross here. It crosses it here. You can see here. You can see this place. It crosses it there, and it's still going down. It's still down. The MACD, you can see it here. It's still downtrend too. So you just have to. You can still place another one, but it's not advisable. I don't advise anybody to do that. Once you can make one with this one, just look for another opportunity. Leave the opportunity and look for another opportunity. So guys, in rounding it up for you guys, this is the way it works. Anytime you see a red moving average, this red moving average below your yellow and your blue moving average, you have to sell or put or low. You have to do that. And with confirmation with the MACD, everything the way I've explained previously, everything helps a lot. Sure you understand, guys? So now, what about for a buy and sell? I mean, buy or buy or call. So that one will be the next one I'll be explaining now, guys. So that's for a low option, and you can see the trade I placed the other time I won. I'll be placing for I2 if I should see any signal that gave me that I should place for a sell. So let's just go back and let's check on another one for a sell option. Okay guys, see here, I'll still show you more of it, but let's see on this one. You can see here that the red is above the blue and the yellow moving average. You can see here the red was above it. So it was above it. Then what again? That's the first signal. The second signal is that this blue is crossing the yellow. You can see here it crosses the yellow, exactly this place. And what happened next? Come to the MACD. So this one has given you the two signal you need here, but you need confirmation for it. Come to this down here, the MACD, and you can see from the zero signal, right? This is zero line right here. This is zero line here. You can see that it was in downtrend with a consolidation because it wasn't going down much, but now it went up a bit. You can see it was in between it wasn't in uptrend, it wasn't in downtrend, it wasn't in uptrend, it wasn't in downtrend there. You can see it wasn't in up or down. And the next one was move above it a bit, but it wasn't showing yet because you are not getting it clear here, and even this place you are not getting the signal yet. But you can see it was going, and here, see what happened here, guys. It moved up. You can see it clearly. And it has been coming with going from downtrend going to uptrend going. Then the next one, guys, which when this one want to cross it, just buy or I or call. It may be call in your place, it may be put in your call in your place. It may be call, it may be buy, it may be I. But in my place here, it is I. Just stake for I. Just I buy. It's still the same thing. I'll be using buy. Just buy there. So anytime you buy here, make sure you can see it's about to open another one. Make sure you are already there, ready like this now. So once it's about to open, what you just have to do, guys, place your trade. Another one is opened already. So that's how it works, guys. That's how it works. And you can see this is another one that just opened here. This is another one that just opened. Let me explain this to you. You can see that this one is in up. The red moving average is up, and you can see that this blue is crossing it down. It's crossing the yellow down, but I didn't place any trades. Why did I place any trade? Because this one is telling me that it's going up. This moving average, this red moving average is telling me that anytime you see this moving average up, it's telling you that you have to be buying, you have to put for I, you have to stake for call. Anytime this moving average is down, it's telling you that it's for buy, it's for sell, rather it's for low, it's for what is the next one they do yourself, put option. Yeah, so anytime it's up is buy, anytime it's down is sell. So that's the way it works, guys. That's the way it works. But now this one is trying to prank me, right? It's trying to prank me because see, you can see this blue moving average is crossing the yellow, which is giving me an indicator that I should do what? It's giving me a signal rather that I should buy. I should sell. Why this one too is giving me another signal that I should sell because it is in down. It's in down. But you can see that even this stuff was in consolidation, red red, green, red, and you can see it's not moving fine. It's not moving fine. So you don't need to buy here, you don't need to sell here. Just wait until this blue crosses the yellow back up, and this one is still in uptrend, and this one is still up. But please guys, follow the strategy. Please, it's working. Seriously, I'm not joking. Please follow the strategy. Don't add your own strategy to it. Just follow it the way I'm explaining to you guys. Just follow it the way I'm explaining to you guys. As this one is in up like this, you have to wait for this yellow to be in the middle, like this, and wait for this blue to cross it back up. If this blue is crossing this yellow up, then you have to buy. You have to put for I option. You have to put for I or buy. So that's it guys, you have to put for that, and make sure this one too is crossing back up. Is this MACD, this MACD indicator, make sure the candlestick here is crossing above the 0 line before you place your trade. And that's the way it works. That's the way it works guys. That's the way it works. Even this one here, you can see here, it was still, all this place was down. And what are we seeing here? We are seeing an indicator to buy here. See, this red is in up to up, which means it's telling you to buy, and the yellow, the blue is crossing the yellow here. It's crossing the yellow, which means it's telling you to buy. But guys, if you do so, you will lose, because this one is not giving you any signal here. It's still going in down. Everything was below the what? The 0 line, the 0 line. You can see it was below it. So what you just have to do here, you just have to wait for a confirmation before you place your trade. Wait for this one to cross over the 0 line up, then wait for the blue to cross over it. But let me try to find a good one for you. Let me try to find a good one. Let's look on this one too. As you can see here, it's crossing down, and you can see this one. Once you place your trade exactly at the up here, because when this one close, you have to place your trade immediately. Then you place your trade here. See how it went down dramatically guys. It went, even this next one was still in money. You are in money guys, you are in money. So that is that one on that one. So I was explaining on I for you, like I buying. So let's see this too. This one too gave us many indicator, many signal rather. Why am I just calling indicator? Am I sorry about that. You can see here, it was down, it was below it. It was below the 0 line. But what happened here? It was red, and it later turned to green. Even it was below it, it turned to green. That's a false signal safe. I'm telling you guys, this is false signal. And you can see the up one too was green. Even though it is red, I don't mind. I don't fucking care on that one. But once I see that this one is in color green, and the next candlestick went up, you can see the 0 line was now in what? It was in middle of it. It wasn't in downtrend, it wasn't in up. So it was within it, like middle of it. So this one is telling you already that get ready to what? To buy. Get ready to buy. And you can see this one, this indicator, this one is crossing it here. Exactly at this place, guys, it's crossing it. If you should place your trade here, you are winning already. You see a signal here, but if you miss this one, because this one is not giving you signal yet to buy or to sell. If you are missing it there, just wait for this confirmation here. Once you see that it's about to close, another candlestick is opening, and you can see that it's still in up, just place for buy. Place for buy guys, you will win the money. And it's just for 2 minutes. Make sure it is in 2 minutes. Make sure it's in 2 minutes, like this. This is 2 minutes here. This is 2 minutes here. Once this one finish like this, now it will start reading another one. So I can just tweet like this in order to know when it will close. So another candlestick will be opening in another 30 seconds. I'll be sorry, yeah, in just 15 seconds more to open. So that's on that one too guys. So let me just try to find an opportunity. I placed a trade here, right here, for a put option. You can see for a put option, and I want it for a low. I want to place another trade for I, so you will know this system is working. This strategy works. It does work. It does work very well. It's the one that grew my account like this, so it does work. And I've been testing some strategies to which I will be uploading tomorrow or next tomorrow on how to make money with binary option using IQ platform. Using IQ platform is really working. If you haven't registered yet guys on this platform and you want to start making money, because the way I explain it is very easy for you guys. I have to look for a simpler way, very simple way for you to start making money with binary option. So if you want to register right now as a binary option, like as an investor, as a trader, what you just have to do right here is to go to my video description. You will see a first link there. Click on the link and register for your free account. You will have 10,000 free demo account in order to register. And once you have registered your account, if you don't know how to register it, check my last video before this video you are watching on YouTube. You can just go to my channel, like you can go to my channel. Just check the last video before this one I'm uploading right now. Before this one you are watching, you will see it there. It's about how to register it and how to set this indicator save. I did everything there. It's about 17 to 20 minutes video. I think so. So just watch it. I did it step by step. It will help you to register, and even I stated the bonus you will earn there. There are some bonus you will earn. Even though you put $10, you put $100, you put $1,000, you put $5,000, you put $10,000. There are benefits for you by using my referral link, because that's my referral link, guys. So by using it, you will get it. And guys, this will be a win-win. Once you can use my link, I'll be getting percent on the money you invest, and same thing you too, you'll be getting percent because you use my referral link, because I'm a top investors on this platform. So they actually gave me a link to promote for them and for you to earn too. So guys, this video is not actually for investment advice, but this is what I'm doing, guys. And if I'm doing it is working for me, then why can't I just help you guys too, in order for you to make money? Then that's why I'm sharing you this video. That's why I'm sharing this video, so you can start making it with it right now. So guys, don't forget, go to my video description. If you haven't registered yet, I will put a link there for you to register, or you should check my previous video on how to register on IQ option and set the moving average for 2-minute strategy. That's it. Check it out and register. And after you register, you will come to your account. Just start trading. Don't trade on your real account yet. You can invest it directly, because the strategy sometimes it may be 48 hours. After 48 hours, if you didn't invest the money, the percent you were to get will go. So if you don't want to lose your percentage because you use my referral link, then you can just invest your money immediately. You open your account, you verify your account, you set up your account. What you just have to do, guys, what you have to do there is just for you to invest your money immediately. But after you invest your money, just leave your real account. Leave it. Don't trade on your real account. Trade on your demo account first and start realizing with this 2-minute strategy. And even tomorrow or next tomorrow, I'll be posting a 5-minute strategy too that does work. It works very well. It was the one I was using for this one. Like it was lost, it was lost, then 1 lost 1. So 1 year. But now I've understand how the system work. But it wasn't the one I used there. I used for this 2-minute strategy was the one I used there. But this one was for the 5-minute strategy, which I will be showing you again in tomorrow's or next tomorrow video. I may not be posting video tomorrow, and I may post, I don't know yet. But that's the way it was, guys. So what you just have to do here is to register and start with your demo account. Start rehearsing, guys. Start rehearsing right now, and make sure you apply risk management. Make sure you apply risk management. It helps a lot. It helps a lot, because there is no out. No matter how good you are, you will always use a trade. But once your risk management is there, out of you are using like 15% of your money, your investment to trade, you'll be getting it back. Because even though you lose the first one, the second one, the third one, and you understand the strategy, the second one, the third one will be coming in profit for you. You can see here, I wasn't in win all the time. I was having loss too. I'm having win, I'm having loss, but my win is more than my loss, and even my win is covering back my loss. So that's it. That's what make you a good investor. That's what make you a good binary trader. You get, if you are winning and you are losing, and your losing is more than your loss and you're winning, or your winning and your loss are still equal, so that means you're not winning, you're not losing. You have $10,000 there, and your $10,000 is still your $10,000. You're not having profit, you're not having loss. Then you are not yet getting it, guys. So that's it. That's it, guys. So let's just look for a signal entry. If I should see anywhere to trade, I will share with you guys how I go about it. So yeah, guys, see here, I'm seeing a signal right here. Yeah, you can see here, which means you can see my first signal here. I'm seeing right here. this blue here is about to cross this yellow here, and you can see this one is still in down, it's still below the zero line, but you can see I'm having green. Then anytime I see that it crosses it like this, and you can see this red here too is above the both yellow and the blue moving average, and you will see now that this blue moving average will cross back now, and this one will start going back up, So what I have to do here is to wait for the right timing. So how do you set your time? Come here like this and wait for the another candlestick will be opened very soon. Now you can see this one is giving me red. It's giving me red, right? It's giving me red. Let's just wait and see what will happen, guys. Let's just wait and see what will happen. Can you see that the strategy is really working? See how it went dramatically, because the yellow crosses the blue crosses the yellow one, and what happened next? Once since you see that it's almost crossing it here, it's about to cross the red. The blue is about to cross the yellow, and the red is below it. One, that's number 2, and you can see that it moved down. See on this candlestick, I'm on this candlestick right now. Let me put it in trend line so you can understand what I'm saying. See, okay, sorry, that one is now actually doing. This is a trend line. Let me just put a trend line. Why is it not drawing there? So you can see from here like this one like this, it went there straightly. Like you can see, this is it. So guys, you saw it here already, that this one is crossing the yellow, the blue is crossing the yellow, and this one is below. I mean, the red is below. The red is below it, and here you can see that the red became small and smaller here, and here it crosses it back. It crosses it back, which means you have to sell. You have to put, for my own now, low. I have to click on low. That's the click of a button, like I said. Click of a button, then just, you're in money already, guys. You're in money. In 2 minutes. In 2 minutes strategy. This one will be closing in the next. 50. Then okay, it will be closing in the next, like, let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see. Is this the real time? I'm not sure. You can see it has opened again now. It has opened another candle. You can see that it was still in down. Even though you place your trade here, you still want it, though it was very small. But this is the real one you should have placed it on, because I told you it has been coming with red, up with red, up in red in the zero line, and later it dropped down. It was in down, like in the middle of it, and the next one that will come, it will show for you that it is downtrend. But don't just use this one as a confirmation. Make sure all these 4 moving average gives you confirmation. This is the first one, the MACD line, and this moving average on the MACD itself. And again, the real moving average you set up yourself. I mean this, why the blue is crossing the yellow and the red is below it. So that's on that put. I've been looking for an option to, wow, I'm not around. Seriously? Hi! See me. You don't need to chase the trade again. Since it's going already, you don't need to chase it, guys. You don't need to chase it. You just have to leave it. If I still place trade in the year right here, I'm still sure I'm gonna win. But you don't need to chase it. It's gone already. So you can see right here that the red is above it. Yeah. And what happened? The blue line is crossing. So you can see it's still what is working. This is practical stuff. It's what you can do yourself. You can see why the blue is crossing the yellow. That is the second indicator for you. That is, sorry, the second the second signal you got in here. The first one is red is above, but down is not a confirmation for you to trade. Why the yellow crosses it, that's the second confirmation. And right here you can see, as I told you, if it has been coming with green color, and you can see that it moved up. You can see this one was very small. This one was very, very small here, and later it move up. So just place your trade immediately. Since you know that this one is in small already, you know the next one will go up. It will go up. So you're waiting here to place your trade. Set your time already in 12. You set your time already like this. You set your time already, then you're ready for it. Once it's read 30 seconds like this, just put your trade there immediately. Just place your trade immediately, guys. Place your trade, then you're in money. You're in money already. You're in money. So that is how it was, guys. I should have placed the trade if I assume I'm around, but because I went to explain on this, I don't know, something good is happening here. I don't know, something good is happening here, and it's really paying me. Seriously, I don't like what happened just now. I should have placed that trade. Seriously, this is a big one for you. One, like you want it a lot. You want it. It happens that we don't need to mourn. Another opportunities will come. There are many opportunities, and guys, be cautious of this. Make sure your trade are no more than 4-5 times a day. Sure, you understand? Because if you are placing like 8 times, 7 times, you may be overwhelmed already, like tired. And when you are tired of it, for you to continue the trade, it will be very hard. So for you to start going and start waiting for all those confirmation, it may be somehow for you, and you just be placing the trade anyhow because you're getting it. You may start losing money. So guys, make sure you are waiting for confirmation, and make sure your trade are just about 5 to 6 every day. 5 to 6. If I will recommend 7, I will say just 4 is okay, but make sure you are not getting more than 5 to 6 trades a day. But anytime you have a loss, try to recover it back. Then you quit for that day. So that's on it. That's for it, guys. If you haven't registered yet, go to my video description right now. I mean the video description right now, and register for your free account and start realizing on your demo account. Then after you see that, yeah, I'm really capable to do this, then go to your real account and start doing it there. Start making the money, guys, and it will be well with you. And don't forget to subscribe. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also press the notification bell, because I know you are watching this video because you want to make money online. Absolutely. So if that is the case, don't forget to subscribe to the video. I'll be posting more videos in the future in order to help you to make money with binary and other ways, free ways to make money online. If I will go to my channel, you can see here. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Why everything is not clicking? Oh, seriously? Yeah, you can see here, guys, I post video on a daily basis on how to make money online. You can see 5 days ago, 6 days ago, 7 weeks. I've been 1 week ago. I said 7 weeks. 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. So literally, I post video like 3-4 times every week on this channel. And this is what I'm trying to do to help you guys that you're just a beginner, like you're tired of that job you're doing. That boss has been a problem for you, and you want to be yourself boss. And this is the real way. These are the ways you can be your boss, by trading on your own, and other ways. There's other strategy. Like this is my first video on trading, and the second one was just on, and this one you are watching right now is my third video on binary option trading. I'll still be posting video on forex, but this I just started with binary, like with you guys. Just want to teach you guys, is what I know, so I want to teach you guys. And you can see this one, make $20 to $50 as a beginner, watching YouTube videos and watching videos like Netflix videos and also, and making that every day. You can watch those videos too. They are to help you. You can make money with all this platform, with all this system, with all this site. Then invest back to this with this IQ option, with this binary option. Then start playing it. Start making money online. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. Also, give me your comment. Give me your own view. Like, what do you really want to? Like, what is your own interest in online business? What do you like to do online? Just tell me, guys. Tell me. I'll be making the video. I'll be making everything for you in the next video. Anytime I see your comment, I'm always happy. And don't forget to like the video too, in order to know that you're getting value from my video. So I'll see you in the next video, and bless you. I pray for you. It is well with you.